start with a new lesson today. सारे काम अच्छे हैं. सारे काम अच्छे हैं means every work is good. So you should not feel inferiority or superiority for doing any work. Every work has to be done by everybody. Okay, that is the meaning here. Every work is good. सारे काम अच्छे हैं. विनोबा भावे महान संत थे. So he is Vinoba Bhave. He was a great saint. संत means saint. संत थे. वे गांव-गांव पदयात्रा करते और गांवों के जमींदारों से भूमि दान में लेकर उन किसानों को दे देते जिनके पास अपनी भूमि नहीं थी. एक बार विनोबा जी गांव के एक विद्यालय में गए. विद्यालय में शौचालय नहीं था. सभी बच्चे बाहर जाकर शौच करते थे. विद्यालय के बाहर और अंदर इतनी गंदगी देख वे बहुत दुखी हुए. उन्होंने बच्चों से पूछा, विद्यालय के अंदर और बाहर इतनी गंदगी क्यों है? बच्चों ने बताया कि कुछ दिनों से सफाई वाला नहीं आया है, इसलिए गंदगी फैल गई है. तो अब सफाई कौन करेगा? विनोबा जी ने प्रश्न पूछा. एक छात्र बोल उठा, सफाई वाला आएगा, वही करेगा. विनोबा जी ने पूछा, यदि वह कुछ दिनों तक और नहीं आया तो? एक बात बताओ, यहाँ गंदगी फैला तो कौन है? Okay, so here it is about how Vinoba Bhava is a great saint. So he has gone to one school. He has visited a school. And there, what was the condition about the toilet? He is just seeing that, and about that it is explained here. Let me read it and I will explain to you. Vinoba Bhave Mahan Sant the. He was a great saint. Shri Vinoba Bhave was a great saint. वे गांव-गांव पदयात्रा करते और गांवों के जमींदारों से भूमि दान में लेकर उन किसानों को दे देते जिनके पास अपनी भूमि नहीं थी. So what was he doing? He used to visit so many places, so many villages, so many towns, and there he used to meet the rich people. Okay, zamindar means landlords. He used to meet them, and hearing to his preaching, they used to be very much impressed. They used to feel very happy about Vinoba Bhave, and whatever he used to ask, sometimes they used to give him. So like that, when he was visiting all these houses, especially the landlords, he used to collect land from them. He used to take land from them, and that land he used to give to other people, those who never had land as property for them. Okay, so what he used to do, he used to take it from landlords and give it to poor people, those who never had lands. So like that he used to do. He was a very great scientist. He never saint. He never had any interest on himself. He had interest on other people. So he was selfless. He was not selfish, he was very selfless. He was helping others. For those who are in need of anything, he used to help them. That was his work. So what happened? He used to go to all the landlords. So he used to visit from village to village, and he used to collect lands from them, and he used to give it to the poor people. एक बार विनोबा जी गांव के एक विद्यालय में गए. So one day what happened? He visited a school. Vinoba Bhave, Shri Vinoba Bhave, what did he do? He visited one school. विद्यालय में school. विद्यालय में शौचालय नहीं था. So what happened? When he visited that school, he could see that no toilets were available. So there was no toilet. सभी बच्चे बाहर जाकर शौच करते थे. So what they used to do? They used to go to open field and they used to pass the toilets there. So what happened? He used to see that all these children moving outside for toilet purpose, because there was no toilet, constructed toilet was not there, so they used to go to open space. विद्यालय के बाहर और अंदर इतनी गंदगी देख वे बहुत दुखी हुए. So it is very bad, dirty. There it will be giving a very bad smell also. So what happened? He felt very bad looking at this unhygienic condition of the school. Outside as well as inside, it was very dirtily maintained. It was not at all good. It was very, very dirty. So he felt very bad looking at this condition. उन्होंने बच्चों से पूछा, विद्यालय के अंदर और बाहर इतनी गंदगी क्यों है? So he questioned the students there, why is it so bad, so dirty inside as well as outside the school? What is the reason? He asked to the children. बच्चों ने बताया कि कुछ दिनों से सफाई वाला नहीं आया है, इसलिए गंदगी फैल गई है. So what happened? These children said, no, the cleaning person has not come, housekeeping person has not come. That is why it is very bad. So nobody is cleaning here. Because of that reason, it is very bad. It is very dirty inside as well as outside. Children told to Shri Vinoba Bhave. तो अब सफाई कौन करेगा? So he asked them, if that person doesn't come, who will clean this? The housekeeper has not come, then who will clean this dirt? विनोबा जी ने प्रश्न पूछा. So he questioned the children. एक छात्र बोल उठा, सफाई वाला आएगा वही करेगा. So one of the students just stood up and said, no, that the housekeeping person come, he will come and he will only clean it. विनोबा जी ने पूछा, यदि वह कुछ दिनों तक और नहीं आया तो? So now Shri Vinoba Bhave is asking that child, okay, you are saying that housekeeping person has to come and clean it, isn't it? Supposing he doesn't come for few more days, or if he doesn't come at all, what will you do? Will you keep the place dirty like this? He questioned her. एक बात बताओ, यहाँ गंदगी फैलाता कौन है? So he again asked the question to children. Okay, supposing he doesn't come, what will you do? And not only that, who is making this place dirty? Who is keeping this in unhygienic condition? Again he questioned the students. Okay, once again I will read. Look here. सारे काम अच्छे हैं. Every work is good. विनोबा भावे महान संत थे. वे गांव-गांव पदयात्रा करते और गांवों के जमींदारों से भूमि दान में लेकर उन किसानों को दे देते जिनके पास अपनी भूमि नहीं थी. एक बार विनोबा जी गांव के एक विद्यालय में गए. विद्यालय में शौचालय नहीं था. सभी बच्चे बाहर जाकर शौच करते थे. विद्यालय के बाहर और अंदर इतनी गंदगी देख वे बहुत दुखी हुए. उन्होंने बच्चों से पूछा, विद्यालय के अंदर और बाहर इतनी गंदगी क्यों है? बच्चों ने बताया कि कुछ दिनों से सफाई वाला नहीं आया है, इसलिए गंदगी फैल गई है. तो अब सफाई कौन करेगा? विनोबा जी ने प्रश्न पूछा. एक छात्र बोल उठा, सफाई वाला आएगा वही करेगा. विनोबा जी ने पूछा, यदि वह कुछ दिनों तक और नहीं आया तो? एक बात बताओ, यहाँ गंदगी फैलाता कौन है? So like that he again questioned the students. Supposing he doesn't come, what will you do? So then what happened we will see. Now विनोबा जी का प्रश्न सुनकर सभी बच्चे चुप थे. विनोबा जी ने कहा, जब गंदगी तुम करते हो तो सफाई भी तुम्हें ही करनी चाहिए. तभी एक छात्र बोला, हम कोई सफाई वाले थोड़े ही हैं. यह सुनकर विनोबा जी मुस्कुराए और बोले, जब तुम छोटे बच्चे थे और अपना बिस्तर गंदा करते थे तो क्या साफ सफाई करने से माँ काम वाली हो जाती थी? बच्चे एक साथ बोले, नहीं. तब विनोबा जी ने बच्चों को समझाया, गंदगी करना बुरी बात है. गंदगी साफ करना कोई बुरा काम नहीं है. यदि आसपास सफाई रहेगी तो हम हमेशा स्वस्थ रहेंगे. यह हम सबका कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने आसपास साफ सफाई रखें. उनकी बात सुनते ही सभी छात्र मिलकर विद्यालय और उसके आसपास सफाई के काम में जुट गए. कुछ ही देर की मेहनत से विद्यालय साफ सुथरा हो गया. So what happened now? He said, supposing this housekeeper doesn't come, will you keep the place like this only? Will it be dirty like this? He questioned, isn't it? So now we'll see what happened next. विनोबा जी का प्रश्न सुनकर सभी बच्चे चुप थे. So he said, see, you are the people who are making it dirty. So can you expect the housekeeper to come and clean it every time? So when Sri Vinoba Bhave asked that, what happened? The children all kept silence. They had no words to speak because they were the ones who were making it dirty, isn't it? Now there was no words for them. They were all silent. विनोबा जी ने कहा, जब गंदगी तुम करते हो तो सफाई भी तुम्हें ही करनी चाहिए. So if you are making the place dirty, it is your duty only to make it clean also. If you are making it dirty, it is your work to keep it clean. तभी एक छात्र बोला, हम कोई सफाई वाले थोड़े ही हैं. So he is asking, that means you mean us that we are also housekeeping people? No, that one of the students said. So he was not interested to clean the place. So he said, do you think that we are also keeping, that is housekeeping people? No, we are not for that. We are only students. That is what he explained. Then see what happened. तभी एक छात्र बोला, हम कोई सफाई वाले थोड़े ही हैं. यह सुनकर विनोबा जी मुस्कुराए और बोले, जब तुम छोटे बच्चे थे और अपना बिस्तर गंदा करते थे तो क्या साफ सफाई करने से माँ काम वाली हो जाती थी? So then what happened? Sri Vinoba Bhave, he just smiled at that child who said that should we do that? Should we clean the place? It's not our duty. When the child said that, he just smiled at him and said, see, when you are very small, when you are in small childhood, what you have done? You used to pass urine and everything where? In the bed itself. That time who was cleaning that? It was your mother who was cleaning it, isn't it? That means your mother is a maid servant for you. He questioned. Is your mother a maid servant for you to clean your bed, to clean your dirt? Then when he asked that, see, let us see what happened. He asked that. So that means your mother was cleaning all the dirty things what you have done. So can you call her as a maid servant? See, जब तुम छोटे बच्चे थे और अपना बिस्तर गंदा करते थे तो क्या साफ सफाई करने से माँ काम वाली हो जाती थी? So he asked, whether your mother was a maid servant. बच्चे एक साथ बोले नहीं. So everybody shouted, no, my mother is not a maid servant. तब विनोबा जी ने बच्चों को समझाया, गंदगी करना बुरी बात है, गंदगी साफ करना कोई बुरा काम नहीं है. So he said, he explained to the children, making it dirty is very bad, but making surroundings clean is very good. He said, he just explained to them, making the surroundings dirty is very bad, but cleaning it is very good. यदि आसपास सफाई रहेगी तो हम हमेशा स्वस्थ रहेंगे. So he said, if the surrounding is clean, if the environment is clean, then you can also be very healthy. If you are not keeping it clean, if it is in the unhygienic conditions, what happens? You will also fall sick. He explained to children about all these things, about the cleanliness. यहाँ हम सबका कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने आसपास साफ सफाई रखें. So he said, it is very important for us to keep our surroundings clean, to keep away from diseases and to keep ourselves healthy. He explained all these things to the children. उनकी बात सुनते ही सभी छात्र मिलकर विद्यालय और उसके आसपास सफाई के काम में जुट गए. So when these children heard about all these things from Sri Vinoba Bhave, that the surrounding has to be kept clean to keep healthy, So immediately what happened? They all joined together. All the students joined together and they started cleaning the school, both inside and outside. कुछ ही देर की मेहनत से विद्यालय साफ सुथरा हो गया. So just within a short time, when all of them joined together and started working together, cleaning the school, what happened? School became so clean within a very, very short time, because it was a teamwork, all the children joined together. They never felt it is not my duty, it's not my work. No, they never felt that. Thought, yes, what he is saying is correct. So if we keep our school clean, we can also be healthy. When they just understood that, what happened? Everybody joined together and they cleaned the school. Okay. So you know that always you have to keep your surroundings clean to keep yourself clean and healthy. Okay. Now once again I will read it. विनोबा जी का प्रश्न सुनकर सभी बच्चे चुप थे। विनोबा जी ने कहा, जब गंदगी तुम करते हो तो सफाई भी तुम्हें ही करनी चाहिए। तभी एक छात्र बोला, हम कोई सफाई वाले थोड़े ही हैं। यह सुनकर विनोबा जी मुस्कुराए और बोले, जब तुम छोटे बच्चे थे और अपना बिस्तर गंदा करते थे तो क्या साफ सफाई करने से माँ काम वाली हो जाती थी? बच्चे एक साथ बोले, नहीं। तब विनोबा जी ने बच्चों को समझाया, गंदगी करना बुरी बात है, गंदगी साफ करना कोई बुरा काम नहीं है। यदि आसपास सफाई रहेगी तो हम हमेशा स्वस्थ रहेंगे। यह हम सबका कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने आसपास साफ सफाई रखें। उनकी बात सुनते ही सभी छात्र मिलकर विद्यालय और उसके आसपास सफाई के काम में जुट गए। कुछ ही देर की मेहनत से विद्यालय साफ सुथरा हो गया। So children, remember this every time. If you are keeping your surroundings clean, you will also be safe. Okay. So let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.